Looking for a reliable and versatile Deckover trailer to transport large materials and supplies to the job site? Meet the L7, part of our Quest series from PJ Trailers, designed for professionals who demand strong performance and enduring quality. Let's quickly explore the standout features that make the L7 a smart choice for those who require both quality and value. The L7 is built with a 102-inch wide deck and a 35-inch deck height, offering ample space and stability for transporting wide vehicles, equipment, and supplies. With a 6-inch channel frame and tongue, the L7 is engineered for durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty tasks day after day. Need secure and reliable load handling? The L7 comes equipped with a full-length rubrail and stake pockets to give you confidence in securing your load, no matter what you're hauling. When it's time to load and unload, the L7 is ready with standard slide-in ramps that allow you to use the full 102-inch width of the deck, making it easy to handle those extra-wide pieces of equipment. To ensure a smooth, reliable haul on the open road, the L7 is fitted with 7K axles with forward self-adjusting brakes and 15-inch radial tires, promising optimal performance and reliability on every trip. The drop leg jack with a 7,000-pound rating ensures a steady setup of the trailer no matter the load. The L7 is a testament to PJ Trailers' commitment to quality and durability, built to last and delivering the reliability that professionals expect. Visit pjtrailers.com today to learn more about the L7, locate your nearest PJ dealer, and see why what drives you drives us.